If naghahanap ka ng accommodation sa Bohol na pasok sa budget but gives you that luxurious ambience, may swimming pool, may wifi, air-conditioned, and free breakfast na rin. Dito nga kami sa Abraham Bohol nag-book and we got their deluxe king room, good for 2 adults and 1 kid. By the way, this is not sponsored. I hope it is. Baka naman. Char. Nag-book nga kami sa website nila and we stayed here for 3 days, 2 nights. Ang total na binayaran namin is 7,400 pesos. So, let me give you a quick tour. This is the entrance and meron nga sila mga tables and billiards and dito rin tayo mag-check-in. On the left side, makikita nyo agad yung kanilang main swimming pool and sa loob, meron ding kids swimming pool. So, sa room tour naman tayo, ganito yung itsura ng aming room. We have a king-size bed and an extra mattress. They also have a complimentary coffee and tea. May flat screen TV and mga cabinets na rin dito. Ganito naman yung itsura ng restroom o diba napakasyala and napakalinis. Sa labas, meron nga ring balcony with pool view. Perfecto pang senti and pang coffee. So, ganito yung view dito sa taas. Sa breakfast naman, it normally starts at 7 a.m. This is a buffet breakfast. So, eat all you can. Ang sarap ng mga pagkain and napakaraming options. So, that's all. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is Ivy. Follow me for more travel, food, and lifestyle videos. Bye!